Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty special Camaro right here. It's a 1968 Rally Sport. It has 33,000 original miles on it. This car is an excellent survivor. Believe it or not, there's a 4-speed in there. It has the console with all the gauges, 327 motor. You go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at over 100 pictures. That's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Underneath the car is not detailed. It's never been off frame and painted. It's really good original. So for those of us that love survivors, it's really good underneath. Looks like it's all uncut original metal. Even up behind the tires there where the little drain plug is, looks like it's all virgin original metal. The floors are all really nice. Now they've maintained it along the way. It's got new shocks. I think it has air shocks in back, new brake hoses. Miscellaneous parts were new. It does have a dual exhaust system with a little crossover pipe. It has the correct transverse style muffler. It means it goes in there sideways. It is a dual exhaust system. Fuel tank looks original. Front end components look good. You look up at the motor, someone did spray can a little Chevy orange on there to freshen it up, but it looks original. The starter's clean. It has, I think it's a Saginaw. It's not the Muncie, it's a Saginaw 4-speed transmission. It is VIN number matched original to this car. In back it has its original 308 posi rear end. So good, clean, original underside. The body is excellent. I believe all original metal, uncut. I looked in the trunk, there's no splices in the quarter panels. The bottom of the doors, you have very crisp and clean edge on the bottom of the doors. Fenders are all tin. It's absolutely straight. All the gaps are right on the money. This hood fits perfectly square and flush. Rally Sport means it has the hidden headlights. Everything up here is real good. Bumper's very shiny. They did put the emblem in the wrong spot. They should be right there centered in the stripe. Stripe is painted on. It's all real nice. Nice emblems. Reproduction wide oval tires with the 14-inch rallies. Looks like it's all new trim. The correct center caps for a 67. Windshield's crystal clear. Vinyl top looks new. All this stainless trim. Probably the original. It's all straight and shiny. Up on top of the doors, this is part of the Rally Sport, real shiny. Has a metal door edge guard. That would be an original piece. It's not banged up. Oh, door shuts nice. But it's absolutely straight. I don't see any signs of rust or bubbles or problem areas. It's all real nice. Now, it's the original color. Was repainted one time. It's called ash gold. It looks like green, but the name is ash gold. And all this trim is nice and it fits nice. No rear spoiler. They left it alone. Tail lights, bumper's nice. It has the reverse lights down below. That's part of the Rally Sport package. They relocate the reverse lights. Jambs are painted real nice. Rubber looks good. It's a little tattered on the edges, but looks good. Probably the original. It's kind of hard, actually. The interior, I certainly believe it's all the original. Maybe the carpet was replaced, but the seats have just enough little patina on them, not worn at all. It has all the original GM seat belts. The center console's in excellent shape. Has the correct, flat shift handle, not the round one with the chrome ball. VIN number matching, original 327 motor. They did change it, the carb. It's a new Edelbrock carb with electric choke. The original air cleaner is in the trunk. It does still have valve covers, exhaust manifolds. That's all stock. I don't think the engine bay's ever been spray canned. The firewall, inner fenders, radiator support, Smooth, clean, original black finish. Original hinges. Under the hood looks original. So it does have power steering, and it is a new power steering pump. I purposely rolled up the windows so you can see how nice they fit. The side glass is crystal clear, and it shuts like a new car even with the windows up. Inside the trunk, I did poke around. It's all clean, solid metal, very nicely spatter painted. It does have a vintage style polyester tire for a spare on a black rim. It's got the jack assembly. All this paint looks real nice. The weather strip in the trunk is new. Comes with the original 4-barrel carb, assembly manual, some books, original air cleaner, some touch-up paint right here with the code on it. So it comes with some extras. There's some chrome pulleys on the motor. Here's the originals they took off. Headliners mint, dome light works. The whole dash area is mint. The dash pad, the whole center section, the heater controls, the AM radio, the wood grain, the trim, the lenses, the knobs. Even the kick panels are mint. The levers slide back and forth. They're hooked up. Squirters are hooked up. It's manual brakes. The master cylinder was replaced. Original spring clamp battery cables. Has the shroud. The original radiator cap. The hoses have been changed. So why don't we start it up? There is a stereo in the glove box. The vents are nice, very unabused. It's not beat up at all. The pillars, the mirror, the rear tray, all really nice shape. It is the original weather strips. It's got some cracks on the edges and it's kind of hard, so it's all the original weather strips, which could very well mean that jambs might be original paint. It has original weather strips. That's probably the original paint there. Headlights opened up. They are vacuum. They might take a little while, but they just opened up all on their own. Again, that hood fits perfectly square. Condition of the paint overall is real nice, shiny, straight, smooth. So there you have it. Not too many Camaros come in with low miles. Usually those get driven. No one lets a Camaro just sit in the barn. So it's a pretty rare opportunity to buy a low mile Camaro. And on top of it, it's a Rally Sport 4-speed with gauges. Pretty cool find. Same owner the last 13 years down in Arkansas. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask. They'll help you out the best they can. They can also help with delivery and financing. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.